Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel called Business Channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the most popular Inuka products or the best sellers of the Inuka products. So let's get into it. Please note that the popularity of a product may vary from one IPO to the next, and it may also vary according to who you are targeting or where you are actually based. But these are the products that are most popular amongst my clients and the clients of the people that I actually talk to within the Inuka network. So our first product is the Inuka Perfumes. Now I have done a video explaining the different ranges within the Inuka Perfumes, and I will leave a link in the description box. So these perfumes are very much popular. Everybody wants this perfume because they do what they say they do. They smell good, they're long lasting, and they are affordable. So we do have the exclusive range and we have the classic range. So the exclusive range is more on a higher price than that of the classic range, because of the different oil percentages within the perfumes themselves. Now these perfumes are very, very popular, as I've said, and they are the best sellers. So if you are new in the business, purchase the perfumes and sell them because they will sell. So these perfumes, the most popular ones come from mostly the classic range. People tend to gravitate more towards the classic range than the exclusive range. But either way, both ranges are very much popular amongst the clients. So the Inuka perfumes do have matching lotions and matching body wash, which leads us to the second most popular Inuka products and the bestseller, which is the hand and body lotions. Now people may start by purchasing the perfume and then they like how it smells and then they order the matching lotion as well. With some people, they start by purchasing the lotion and then they like how it smells and then they go and order the perfume. So yeah, the description of the perfumes as well and the ranges, it is included in the video that I've spoken about where I'm explaining the perfumes. Inuka hair products, so these are also very much popular and they are one of the best seller products of Inuka. People will mostly buy the hair and braid spray or the hair combo. I do have a video talking about the Inuka hair care range, and I also have a video talking about how to use the Inuka hair combo. But basically the hair combo is made up of the hair food and it's also including the hair growth oil. So yeah, those are the combos that people would turn to buy more, and they will also buy the hair and braid spray. People mostly use this one for their wigs, but you can also use it for your own natural hair. Yeah. The next product is the skin combo. With the skin combo as well, I have made a video explaining how to use the product or how it works, so you can check that out in the description box. With the skin combo is made out of the skin clearing oil and the miracle oil. And then we do have a small small skin combo, and we have a big skin combo. The difference between these two is the size of the skin clearing oil. That's what makes it the small combo and the big combo, and the prices as well will be different because of the size of the skin clearing oil. Our next popular products or best sellers are the matte liquid lipstick. Now people go crazy over the matte liquid lipsticks because they do what they say they do. They are matte and they are long lasting and they are easy to apply, easy to remove as well. I do have a video here showing you guys how to remove the matte liquid lipstick. So if you're interested in stocking them or you have people who are purchasing them from you, so just to give them an idea of how to remove it, I do have a video that will be linked in the description box. But basically people love them, especially ML16. ML16 is more on the red side, so people love that, and they also favor the nude colors. So yeah, it is also important to remember that the color may vary a little bit depending on the color of your own lips. For instance, for me, when I'm wearing the ML16, which is more on the red side, it is red, but when I wear it, it gives me a more deep red color, like a maroonish color. So yeah, but it is very important. It is very popular amongst my clients and the clients of the people that I talk to. The last product that is popular, it is the beard combo. Now the beard combo is made of the skin clearing oil and the hair growth oil. The skin clearing oil helps with the skin smoothing it and whatsoever, and the hair growth oil helps with growing the actual hair. I do have a video also down below talking about the beard combo and how to use the beard combo as well. So if you are a new IPO or you were in the business and then took a break and now you want to come back, these are the products that I will suggest that you purchase so that you can sell to your people, because they are easy to sell and they are very popular. Also, it is important to assess out your clients and see what they want according to their orders and stuff like that. For instance, for me, I do have a book where I record what people order, so I can see the trend and I can understand what my client base actually prefers. So I purchase stock according to that, and then I will also add the new stuff so that I can introduce people to the new things and not think that I'm selling the one thing over and over again. So if you want to purchase your stock or you want to start the business and you don't know what to order, these are the products you can order: the hair combo, the hair braid spray, the perfume, the lotions, the matte liquid lipsticks, and the beard combo as well. The nice thing about the Inuka products is that you can sell them individually, or also you can also create your own combos as well, which is very nice. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the video, do the most, and remember what happened. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crowd.